Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Camon 20 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First, open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and here click on Add Account. Select Google. Wait a couple of seconds, meanwhile check if you have your network connection active, and then provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address, so let me provide the details. And as only the phone or email is provided, tap on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once you enter the password, click on Next. Now mark if this device belongs to you or to your key and tap on Next once you mark it. Then you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with everything, just click on I agree. Tap on More, click on Accept, and that's it. Your account has been added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.